Welcome everyone. In our science class today, we'll be treating chemistry. Another chemistry will have the topic chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? They are reactions involving a transfer of energy between the reacting substances and the surroundings. Chemical reactions involve transfer of energy between the reacting substances and the surroundings. Remember, in a chemical reaction, atoms are rearranged to make new substances. In a chemical reaction, atoms are rearranged to make new substances. Let's take, for example, if you're trying to prepare a meal. If you put your ingredients in the pot, there will be a reaction inside the pot for them to mix properly. It is an example of chemical reactions. Take a look at this slide. We have atoms of ions and atoms of sulfur. They react together to produce iron sulfide. Remember that the atoms are rearranged to make a new substance. Chemical reactions can produce a chemical change or a physical change. In a chemical change, a chemical reaction forms new products. For example, combustion, rotting, rusting, and digestion. Again, in a physical change, matter changes form, but not chemical identity. For example, melting, boiling, shredding, and chopping. These are the examples of a chemical change and as well examples of a physical change. The major difference between chemical change and a physical change is that in a chemical change, new products are being produced, while in a physical change, matter changes its form, but not chemical identity. Materials can change in different ways. Example, melting is an example of a physical change. If you have a solid, and after a while, it changes to a liquid, that is a physical change. This can as well change back from liquid to a solid, which simply means that physical change can be reversed. Physical change are reversible, like a substance changing from solid to liquid and back again from liquid to solid. Talking about chemical change, example of chemical change is burning. Chemical changes are harder to reverse. For example, have a slice of bread. If we try to make a toast with this slice of bread, we'll have something like this, and it cannot be reversed back. So simply says that chemical changes are irreversible. Therefore, often chemical changes causes a change in color. It can cause a change in temperature. So we can add another difference between chemical change and physical changes. Physical changes can be reversed, while chemical changes cannot be reversed. Copy out this table. I would like you to fill in the blank spaces. If it is reversible or irreversible, you write. If it is a physical or chemical change, you write. Send your answers to me and I will provide a feedback. Thanks for following. Bye.